Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Features, and here you should be able to locate gestures. Then we can click on them, and first option is Lift to check phone. That means when your phone is locked, you can pick it up with a grip and it should unlock without touching any buttons. Then there's a flip down to mute. When activated, you can flip your phone over, and when there's incoming call, it will silence it. Next is screen off, double tap to suspend your screen, and screen on, double tap to wake up. And now that means, I think it should work from the home screen. Yep, so we can double tap on the empty space in our home screen and this should lock your screen, and we can double tap again to wake it up. Then there's swipe up to wake up. Swipe up on the screen to wake up your device from idle mode. We can lock it again, swipe up, and it will basically wake up. And now next thing is music control. You can draw pause to pause the music, then to resume it or resume it. So we need to do it like this. Then draw arrow to the right to play next track, and draw arrow to the left to play previous track. And the rest of the settings are basically the same. You just need to draw different gesture, and if you click on them, you'll be able to pick different functions. So let's enable that, and then launch a camera by drawing W on our home lock screen. So we're gonna draw it like this, and this should instantly open a camera. And you can do the same thing with the rest of the motions however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.